Hi everyone, welcome to Ayurveda Jyoti Wellness Center. Today I am going to discuss about the Ayurvedic management of hormonal imbalance in women. Now hormones play a major role in regulating the physiological and the psychological functions in women. You all might be familiar with the term estrogen. The other hormones are follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and progesterone. Now, according to Ayurveda, hormones are referred to as dhatotni. Hormones are the derivatives of the pitta factor which regulates metabolism in the human body. According to Ayurveda, there are three life energies which are known as vata, pitta and kapha. When there is an imbalance in these life energies, the body functions are interrupted, or we can see disturbances in the various body functions. Now, in the life of a woman, there are two different stages. One is the reproductive stage and the other one is the menopausal stage. There can be hormonal imbalances in both these stages, but the symptoms we see will be different. Now, let's consider the different symptoms which are seen during the reproductive stage, if there is a hormonal imbalance during the reproductive stage. Usually in young women and also in teenage girls, there might be irregular bleeding, abnormal bleeding, irregular periods, acne, excess body hair, stress, anxiety, and also weight gain. So these are usually the symptoms seen in young people. Now, if we are considering about the menopausal stage, the problem there is mostly because of the lack of hormones. So the symptoms we see are fatigue, recurring urinary tract infections. There can be anxiety, stress, sleeplessness, hot flashes. So the symptoms slightly differ in the menopausal stage. Now, when we come to the Ayurvedic management, we have a very holistic approach. It's very different from the approach in modern science. In modern science, we do the hormone replacement therapy, or in the case of a hormonal imbalance in younger women, we give medications. So in Ayurveda, we have a holistic approach, and the first thing we need to consider is the diet. We need to have a proper diet. A healthy, balanced diet is very important. The healthy fats like virgin coconut oil, flaxseed oil, fish oil, organic ghee, all these can make a lot of improvement. A woman needs to include food which is very rich in antioxidants. It should be rich in vegetables and fruits. We also can have a lot of herbs which have antioxidant action. The next factor is exercise and yoga. Yoga actually can do wonders, So the different poses which we can use in yoga are Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand, Sarvangasana, Bhujangasana, Ushtrasana, Viparita Karani. So basically, these yoga postures improves the functioning of the various glands like the pituitary gland, the adrenal gland, and it also improves the functioning of thyroid and also the ovaries. So it helps a lot in correcting the hormonal imbalances. The next factor is pranayama and meditation, the deep breathing techniques which helps to reduce the stress and anxiety in a person. Ayurvedic therapies do help a lot. We can do the detox therapies. Ayurveda Panchakarma therapies are the detox therapies which we can use to reduce the toxin level in the body. So that helps a lot to improve the metabolism and bring back the body metabolism to normal. The next step is using a proper medication. There are a lot of Ayurvedic herbs which we can use to regulate the hormones. For example, we can use Shatavari. Shatavari is a herb. It's an adaptogenic herb. It's very good for uterine health. We get Shatavari. We can use Gokshura, Tribulus terrestris. It's also very good herb to regulate the hormones. We have a different Ayurvedic formula. One of this is Sukumaram Kashayam. This is very effective in irregular bleeding, abnormal bleeding. So Sukumaram Kashayam based on the Ayurveda text. Shatavari Gulam, which helps in managing the irregular periods. So these are some of the medications which we can use. To complete a detox procedure, we can always use neem, which is a simple herb. It's very good to detox the body. And we can use tribala. So there are a lot of herbs in Ayurveda and also Ayurvedic formulas which we can use to manage the hormonal imbalances in people. Ashoga Arishtam is another formula. It's a herbal wine which can actually reduce the complications connected to hormonal imbalance. So Ayurveda has got a holistic approach. We use medicine, we use diet, we correct the lifestyle, and also we use yoga procedures to manage the hormonal imbalance in women. Thank you.